I tried the best AI logo maker tools in 2026, and the biggest thing I learned is this. Making a logo with AI is easy. Making a logo that actually works is much harder, because almost every AI logo maker can give you something that looks interesting at first. You type a brand name, you choose a style, you click generate, and suddenly you have 10 logo concepts. But then you look closer, the letters are slightly wrong, the icon is too complicated, the design only works on one background. The logo looks good in a mock-up, but terrible as a tiny profile picture. The typography feels generic, the symbol looks like clip art, or the whole thing feels like a fake brand. That is the problem. An AI logo maker should not just create a pretty logo-shaped image. It should help you create a logo that can actually become part of a brand. A logo needs to be readable, simple, memorable, flexible, usable in black and white, strong at small sizes, clean enough for a website, clear enough for packaging, and flexible enough to work across social media, ads, business cards, product labels, and presentations. That is why I am ranking these AI logo maker tools based on real creative use. Not just which tool creates the flashiest logo, but which one gives you the best workflow, which one helps you explore brand directions, which one gives you clean concepts, which one helps you test the logo in real context, which one helps you build the identity around it. And if you want the short version, my best overall workflow pick is Magnific. Not because Magnific replaces every logo design tool, that would be unrealistic. But Magnific wins overall because a logo is not the end of the process. It is the beginning. Magnific helps you turn a logo concept into a full creative world. Brand visuals, mockups, product shots, social graphics, campaign assets, thumbnails, website hero images, packaging concepts, and visual identity systems. That is what most basic AI logo makers do not give you. They give you a logo. Magnific helps you build around the logo. So let's rank the tools. Number 7. Basic free AI logo makers. These are the simple tools where you enter a brand name, choose an industry, and get a batch of logo options. They are fast, they are easy, and if you need a very quick draft, a side hustle idea, or a temporary logo for a small internal project, this kind of tool can help you move quickly. But the downside is obvious. The logos often feel generic. You see the same icons again and again. The typography is basic. The spacing can feel awkward. The result often looks more like a template than a real identity. Best for quick drafts, placeholder logos, small tests, and beginner projects. Useful, but not where I would stop. Number 6. Canva-Style logo makers. Canva-Style tools are much more useful because they combine logo creation with design. You can start with a logo template, adjust colors, change fonts, and quickly place the logo into social posts, presentations, and thumbnails. That makes them practical. If you are a small business owner, creator, student, or social media manager, a Canva-Style logo maker can be enough for simple needs. The big advantage is accessibility. The downside is originality. A lot of the designs feel familiar. The templates are nice, but they can also look like templates. They lack that custom, premium feel. If you want a logo strategically connected to a brand world, you will need a stronger workflow. Best for small businesses, social content, and beginner-friendly design. Number 5. Looka-Style AI logo makers. This category is more focused on actual logo creation. They usually ask for your brand name, industry, color, and style direction. Then they generate a set of options. This can be useful because the process feels more guided than a simple prompt box. The tool helps you narrow down the brand direction. The limitation is that many of these tools still feel system-generated. They are efficient, but not always very original. You get a logo that looks professional enough, but it might not feel special. It may work for a local business or startup concept, but it might not have enough personality for a brand that needs to stand out. Best for startup drafts and early-stage business ideas. Number 4. Adobe Express and Firefly-style design workflows. Adobe is important because logo creation is not only about generating an icon, it is about design control. Typography, spacing, color, layout, exports, brand consistency. If you are already inside the Adobe ecosystem, These tools are very useful for combining AI with traditional design. That is a strong advantage. The downside is that Adobe can feel less instant. It is powerful, but not always as playful or fast as newer AI-first tools. It takes more work to build a full brand world. Best for designers, brand kits, commercial design, and people who want professional control. Very strong, but not always the fastest creative workflow. Number 3. AI image generators like Midjourney, Ideogram, or Flux. This is where AI logo making becomes much more visually interesting. This is where you get range. Instead of choosing from templates, you can prompt for a specific brand feeling. A minimalist tech logo, a gothic coffee brand, a luxury skincare wordmark, a futuristic gaming emblem. The problem is that image generators are not always logo tools. They might create something beautiful, but not functional. The text can break. The logo may be too detailed for a tiny icon. The image may look more like a poster than a logo, and the final file will still need real design cleanup. Best for creative exploration, mood boards, and unique brand ideas. Very powerful for inspiration. Number 2, professional design workflows with AI support. This is where serious logo work usually ends up. A professional designer might use AI to explore ideas or mood boards. But then the real logo is refined manually. Typography is cleaned, spacing is fixed, the icon is simplified, vector versions are created, it is tested at every size. That is the gold standard. If you are building a major company or need a trademark-ready identity, a professional designer is still valuable. AI can help, but taste and refinement still matter. The downside is simply cost and speed. Not everyone needs or can afford a full professional process. Best for serious brands, client work, and final logo systems. Strongest for precision, but not always the most accessible. And number 1, Magnific. My best overall AI logo maker workflow. And the reason is simple. A logo is not just a file. It is the first piece of a brand. Most makers stop too early. They generate a logo and say the job is done. But in real branding, the logo needs to live somewhere. On a product, on a website, on a storefront, on a pitch deck, or on a campaign ad. That is where Magnific becomes extremely useful. It helps you build the visual world around the logo. You turn the logo idea into a complete creative direction. That is why it wins overall. Not because it replaces every design step, but because it gives you the strongest creative workflow. It turns a logo into an asset system. Let's look at an example. Let's say you are making a logo for a premium coffee brand. A basic AI logo maker might give you a coffee cup icon and a word mark. That is fine, but it's just a starting point. With Magnific, you take that strongest direction and build the whole brand world. A coffee bag mockup, a cafe poster, a social post, a website hero image, a product shot, a launch campaign. Now the logo is not floating alone. It belongs to a brand. It feels real. It has weight. That is the level of work that actually gets attention in 2026. Or imagine you are creating a skincare brand. A basic logo maker gives you a clean leaf icon. Magnific helps you create the packaging, the product scene, and the campaign image. It helps you establish that luxury visual style and the final assets that make the brand feel established from day one. A logo maker gives you a logo. Magnific helps you create the brand around it. So here is the final ranking. Basic free makers for quick drafts. Canva-style tools for simple branded graphics. Looka-style makers for guided logo creation. Adobe-style workflows for professional design control. AI image generators for creative logo concepts. Professional design workflows for final precision. And Magnific as the best overall AI logo maker workflow, because it helps turn a logo idea into a complete brand asset system. That is the main point. Anyone can generate a logo now. The technology is everywhere. The real advantage isn't having a logo. It's having a logo that looks like it belongs to a real successful brand. And that is where Magnific wins every single time. Good luck with your branding journey, and I'll see you in the next one. Magnific, the beginning of your brand. Try it today and build your complete visual identity system.